What's going on? What's going on, traders? I hope you all had a great, profitable trading day. Today was amazing, guys. I've shared the trades with the free Telegram channel. I already banked around 130 grand, which is 2% on DAX and gold. As you can see, here's the inner circle chat. I've shared this one yesterday on DAX that I'm selling DAX, and then I called another gold trade. I didn't trade it this one, but some of our traders made great profits on this one. And then this, as soon as the New York session started today, we had this beautiful channel, and I was calling another sell opportunity on gold, which was great because it broke out of the channel and hit the 4-hour channel later on. And yeah, DAX as well was great, took some nice profits. And I want to show you in this video, I want to show you the actual trade. I've recorded the trade. So yeah, I started to record as soon as I called out the gold sell, because yesterday I was missing out on a beautiful setup because I was doing something stupid. If you've seen the last YouTube video, you know what I'm talking about. But today I saw that we get another chance with a continuation to the downside, and yeah, I squeezed this one. I was scaling in some more when it dropped. Here you see me making a setup. Like the main target, really the main target was this one over here. This was the main target for me, and the recent low. But it could, I mean, we have a channel over here, as you can see this. Like we have a channel over here. So the first target will be the bottom of that channel, or this low over here, somewhere in this area. I want to bank my main profits as the main target, and I would let something on the table just for the case that it will just blast through the target and go for the daily time and for the overall trend channel. Yeah, and I still got this position running right now. I already closed 80-90% of the position already on DAX and on gold. On DAX, I was holding the sell after I saw the double top. Let me show you this one real quick in trading view. So here we are on DAX, and let me show you what happened actually yesterday. Let me show you what happened. Well, let me go to the 15-minute chart. So what I was seeing yesterday, I was calling the sell around in this area because I saw the clear double top over here, and then the price started to break the lower time frame structure, clearly came back, and then it started to move downward, and I was getting in and I wanted to hold this thing. So the main target would be around in this area, this area, this area. So I banked some profits this morning, and I scaled in some more. You will see this on the record, guys. Let me show you real quick what happened. So yeah, let me fast forward this a little bit. So there you can see on the left side on gold how it broke through the channel, the lower time frame channel. I think we had a channel on the 5-minute chart. It was breaking the channel, and then I was aiming for the 1-hour, 4-hour channel, for the bottom of that channel. This is what I wanted. And yeah, so market is moving. I'm taking some risk off the table as soon as I see that we are about to get a kind of a, yeah, I mean, we have this clear drop over here, and then you see clearly how the buyers are stepping into the game. So I had to take some risk off the table. Let me tell you when I was exactly doing it, because I was a little bit more patient with this one, because I really wanted to bank around 1771, and this was the moment where I closed. Like I was seeing like, okay, this thing is not pushing down, it's kind of consolidating, so I'm taking 50% off the table, which was around 30 grand. This was the risk that I originally had. So from now on, this thing is completely risk-free, and at least we would have banked like 15 grand if this would hit the stop right now. But as you will see, I moved the stop into profit, so I saved the 30 grand and some more, a little bit more. And on the right side, I forgot to say, as you can see, I was scaling in again on DAX. Wait, let me show you this real quick. What I did was, DAX was on the 1 minute time frame. I was checking it out, and I took some profits on DAX. I took some profits as soon as I saw. I think over here, somewhere over here, I had banked some profits today. And then I was waiting for the 1 minute time frame structure break, because we grabbed some liquidity over here. Some sellers got stopped out, and I like this move, so I was in profit with my position already. The stop was in profit. I already banked some profits, so I decided to look for another sell opportunity to get with the overall trend direction and scale it up some more, and see if I can squeeze this market some more without risking anything, because I had one position left. And then I was scaling it up some more, and yeah, let's see what I did. So what the market did was clearly dropping, came back. If it was fucking around a little bit, honestly, like, it really played with me this time. And I was patient with this one, but maybe not patient enough, because it took some time. As you can see on the left side, gold is clearly moving in an upward structure, and I'm now waiting for the 1 minute time frame break of structure. I wanted to see something like a double top break of structure kind of thing, and this was the moment when I was getting in again, because yeah, I already had banked some profits. We have the stop in profit, and I have some risk appetite left, so I was deciding to put some more risk on the table and try to squeeze this thing again. Let me fast forward what happened. Like, I did exactly the same thing on DAX. So DAX and gold, I did the same thing. So as you can see on the right side on DAX, I was taking some profits off the table. Banked some profits for now. Since I started the video, I was banking around 40,000 so far. But yeah, let me show you. Gold did that drop, and I was taking the loading it up position, the scale in position. I was taking it off the table as soon as it came back to the low. And yeah, and then I was looking for them. Now I'm still into that trade. I'm still holding some of the position. As you can see, look, there you have 25 lot, two 25 lot positions, and then I closed. Then I closed one position, and then I took from the last position, I took 10 more off the table, and then later on I took 5 more off the table. And now I'm still holding this trade, and I moved the stop a little bit above, because I want to give it a chance to really break the trend channel and get to the low around 1,720, 1,710. This is what I'm targeting, and yeah, let's see if we can smash it. DAX is still looking like it wants to break this one over here. We have that double top over here, and let's see, maybe we can get the break out of the neckline. Maybe we can. So this would be the lower target, or maybe, look, if we can do it like this, we can see, like, as soon as it gets near that blue line, I will look out for bullish confirmation to get out of this trade. So yeah, I banked more than 2% today. Awesome trades. If you have been in the free Telegram chat, you had the chance to trade these trades as well. I was sharing every step I take. So yeah, if you're not inside yet, make sure to check the links in the description, join the free Telegram channel, and yeah, if you need some guidance, drop me a message. I wish you guys a profitable rest of the week, and let's see how much we can squeeze the markets this week. We still got 2 days left, So yeah, wish you all the best, guys. Much love. Peace out.
Every time when why you falling in love?